The sky is getting darker. A cool breeze is blowing gently, and a light drizzle begins to fall on the pasture. In the middle of this calm afternoon, a herd of gentle cows begins to head home. Listen to that. Such a funny moo, like she's calling her friends to walk back together. The little calves follow, walking slowly, calmly but surely. They walk together under the soft rain, not in a rush, as if they're enjoying the peaceful drizzle of the evening. And finally, they reach the barn, safe and warm, ready to rest after a long day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more peaceful and natural animal moments.
Yeah.